Dear client, good day. I feel glad today to share with some operation movement. Plug in the power and make sure the emergency switch and the air switch in the mobile console is switched on. Now all three switches are on and power button here to turn on the system. This is a 1K setup. So when the system is on, clean the software and activate when it's first time to use. And to enter this interface, the machine will now run self-calibration for about 2 minutes. Each time you do this, it will do the self-calibration for 2 minutes. Now it's for the movement of the mechanical units. So each handle, there's a label with a different color. For the green one, this is for the movement of the mechanical part back and forth for 20 centimeters, like this. This is the label. Then for the orange one, the handle is at the other side. Okay, this is the handle. This orange movement is for the swing left and right of the mechanic part. It can do from left side 15 degrees and the right side 15 degrees. Then for the blue handle, this is for the mechanic rotation of the C-arm. Unlock it, the blue handle. Now we rotate the C-arm. It can support from minus 195 degrees to 195 degrees rotation like this. And there is also a purple handle. The purple handle is for the sliding of the C-arm. Unlock it, sliding the C-arm for up and down view to left and right view. This supports 130 degrees C-arm sliding. Each of the handle have a different color and with a same color indicator or label. And the label is also marked with the degrees or the movement range it can reach, like this. Okay, this is a medical screen on the main unit. And we have another medical screen. This is a medical grade screen, 30 inches, in the mobile trolley, control trolley. And both of the two monitors can share the same laser indicator for localization. This will help the doctors during the surgery for the localization of the wooden area or operation area. And the design is all angles. It can always do laser positioning. Okay, now system is ready to use. We start with patient registration. So we can input the patient name, patient ID, sex, birthday. If you don't want to do registration, you can just click OK here to skip this part. It depends on the doctor. Okay, after registration is in the image acquisition part. You choose the body part, spine, C-spine, head or lower limb. After choosing the body part, per different body part, there are 4 different views, up, down, left and right. In each view of a certain body part, there is 2 models, low dose or high image quality. You can choose according to your own surgery need. Okay, for the collimator, most of the time we use the large collimator. We have 2 fluoroscopy, pulsed fluoroscopy and continuous fluoroscopy mode. Also, we have the spot film mode. Okay, when body part is also choose, okay, there is a lock here. You have to click it to unlock so that you can do exposure. Otherwise, the X-ray is locked, cannot do exposure. Okay, when it's unlocked, this means okay to use. For exposure, there are 3 ways to do exposure. The first one is the wired hand switch in the main unit, and this is the second method, the wireless hand switch. Power on it from the bottom at the bottom, and there's a green button at the side. This is the activation button. So when they press it, when the light is from green to blue, it means the wireless hand switch is okay to do exposure. And also we have a foot pedal to do the fluoroscopy or the spot film, because doctors will wear surgical gauze or surgical gloves. It's hard to handle the hand switch, so we use this foot pedal. Yellow can fluoroscopy film. And when you press the foot pedal or hand switch, and please wait until this exposure indicator light is on. If the light is not on, please keep press. When the light is on, means exposure down, and you can release your hand or your foot. You can choose the different images to be printed. So when it's done, you can click the exit on the left side to exit the software. And now you can off the computer as you off a normal computer on the left button side from the start and the shutdown. Okay, when the screen is off, you press here this button to power off the system. When the light is off, it means the whole system is off. At the back of the main unit, I have to introduce you this USB port. You can copy the images or videos out for scientific use. Please cover this USB port with the cover. This is not mandatory. After its use, plug off the power and put away the cable unit, power cable to the handle area to hang it there. This is the heavy-duty connector. If the C-arm is used in one operation room only, this can be relay connected. If it needs to be used in different operation rooms, this needs to be removed. Unbuckle the upper side of the blue buckle, then unbuckle from the lower buckle. Directly plug it out and put away the heavy connector. Similar way which you put away with the power cable of the main unit. Move the system back to the parking area. So there is a lock here for the main unit movements. Vertical means unlocked. Press down on either side means it is locked. Now it's locked. Okay, press it horizontally. Now we are trying to move it to the parking area. To save the space of the parking of the C-arm, most of the time we have to pull away the monitor, and also we need to pull it against the door, against the wall very near. This is the handle. Lift it up, rotate it left or right for 90 degrees. The wheels will change the 90 degrees, then pull it over to against the wall. Okay, this is parked okay. Then use the same handle to let the wheels go back to the normal direction. Okay, this is parked. And lock the main unit. Okay, the same way we move the mobile console there and park it together with the main unit.